Can you trust wearable calorie burn data?
Many fitness trackers display the number of calories you burn each day, but can you rely on these numbers? Calorie expenditure is influenced by factors like age, weight, sex, metabolism, and activity level. Wearables gather estimates from heart rate, motion, and personal info, but the accuracy of these calculations is a widely debated topic.
How do wearables estimate calorie burn?
Fitness trackers use sensors to detect activity and measure heart rate. They combine this data with user information such as height, weight, and age to estimate calories burned. However, these devices use general formulas, which don't always account for individual differences, such as muscle mass or unique metabolic rates.
Are wearables always accurate?
Studies show that calorie burn data from wearables can be off by as much as 20% to 50%. Factors like sensor placement, device brand, and the type of activity impact accuracy. Activities like weightlifting or cycling can be particularly hard to track because heart rate and movement aren't always reliable indicators of effort.
Why do differences in accuracy exist?
Each wearable brand uses its own proprietary algorithms, and not all devices are validated with diverse user groups. Lab tests often show more reliable results for some activities, like steady walking or running, while everyday movements and mixed routines are less predictable, leading to significant variation in calorie estimates.
How should you use wearable data?
Rather than treating calorie burn numbers as precise measurements, view them as rough guides for activity trends and motivation. If you're aiming for specific health or fitness goals, consider using wearable data alongside other tracking methods, like food logs or professional advice, for a more complete picture.